Welcome to Yachting Hub Miami, the Yacht and Boat Spotter channel. Today's video: yacht and boat spotting from the famous Haulover Beach Inlet. Thanks for watching today's video. If you like our content, please leave us a comment below and let us know if there's anything in particular that you want to see more. Remember that I do this for your entertainment, so don't hesitate to write. Also, if you have subscribed to the channel, ring the notification bell so you will be notified of our latest videos. Thanks again to all for your support, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.